Hello, this is Shondipon here again. Well, when I made the video on inter-circle transfer policy, then somebody commented about the notification that in 2019-2020 notification it was clearly mentioned that there will be no inter-circle transfer for the candidates. Okay, so I googled it and this is the advertisement which was given, and in this advertisement it is clearly written on page 3. Okay, just to show you, this is page 3, page 2. Okay, it's not page 3, it's page 2. Okay, so on page 2 in this portion, okay, you see the above vacancies where it's given the above vacancies. Okay, see the above vacancies, you can see on the third line. Okay, there is no provision. Third line, there is no provision for inter-circle transfer or interstate transfer for junior associates to be recruited. So it's clearly mentioned over here. Well, this is totally a shock for me because this is not something which takes place. Okay, just calm down, people who are actually looking at this video, just calm down. Okay, I will come to the point. Okay, at the last, come to this merit list. Okay, the third last line of this merit list will be drawn state wise, category wise, and candidates will be posted in the state for which they are applying in the event of their selection and will not be entitled for interstate or inter-circle transfer. Okay, so you see, after this recruitment there was yet another recruitment. Well, I will have to see, or you people also see, that whether inter-circle transfer is there over there. This inter-circle transfer, there is anything any kind of dispute which is there about inter-circle transfer, because inter-circle transfer was actually made after a long time. Okay, after a long time, because there were problems which was taking place. I already mentioned you about these problems. Because of these problems, many people are actually getting it. You see, what's it's given that many people are there who are facing hardships. Many employees are there who are facing hardships because of their posting, and for that reason ICT was brought into place. Not only ICT, the region transfer, the module transfer, each and everything, this whole scenario, this whole thing was actually brought into place, that one person will be transferred from one branch to another branch just for this reason, because many people are actually facing problems because of this. Okay, now let's make one thing clear. See, when in 2009, let's say, okay, in 2009, okay, 2009 2010, at that moment, okay, 10 years before, the scenario was actually totally different. I have got a senior, I was talking to him, and he was just chatting with me. He came for remittance. Okay, for this I work in a chest branch. Okay, so over there I was just chatting with him, and I got to know that that person lives in the same place where I live. I'm in that same region. Okay, in that same region. So I just asked that person that why didn't he opted for the ICT. Okay, I mean not ICT, for region transfer. So that person told me that at that time when they were recruited, at that time it was the policy was that wherever the person is being posted, they will be posted over there. So this thing changed with time. You see, SBI evolves with time. Okay, just be positive, because this is an issue which I think you should actually see. You are watching this video and you are watching this whole scenario. Okay, so I'm saying it. Okay, just be positive, don't get into any kind of negative vibes, because this is not going to take place. I hope so, because union members will not be tolerating about this. There are many things which are given in advertisement, and you may see that there are many kind of circulars which come into place according to this kind of things too. But I am not giving you any kind of positive hope or negative hope. I can just only say that talk to the union members, because union members will be there. They will always be helping you. They will try to help you. I am not saying that they will always be helping you. They will try to help you, and they may see this problem. They may see the problem is of this ICT of 2019-2020 batch, and they may go further for discussion with the management. Okay, so this is very important. Even people who are actually coming from other states and they are working as a PO, let's say probationary officer. Okay, so or TO, let's say training officer. So people who are there, they may also have the urge to go for the homestead. This is quite natural. Okay, so many kinds of rules are being made because of this thing. You see the 2017, it is a dated on 31st July 2017 circular. Okay, so this circular was made, see, after so long it was made. So you see how the rule at that time, the rule was different. Now over here one thing is actually given, that they are not eligible for ICT. Now ICT exists. This is again another thing which I have to say, because ICT exists, inter-circle transfer exists, but still over here this clause has been brought into place. So you just ask the union member at first, ask the management after that, ask the HR I mean the HR department. Okay, so you have to ask all these people, and after that you have to say, because this is a very serious issue. But why did they actually brought into place? Let's take this thing. Okay, you see many people are actually opting out from their own state, and they are just opting from the alien state. This is what's happening now. Let's say Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh. Okay, so they are seeing that where the cutoff is going low. Now they are appearing from that place. Now what happens is that the people who are from, let's say, Chhattisgarh, they are getting tough competition with people who are not from Chhattisgarh. So this clause has been brought because of this thing. Okay, you see, this is a very serious issue. I am also not happy with it, definitely. So SBI SA will be with you. Okay, you ask the management, you ask the union, do this thing. Okay, for this timing I can say that rules will be meant. It will not go unnoticed. Okay, so just be positive and don't think much about it. Okay, you just work over there, and if you are preparing anything, so prepare for other exams. Okay, do anything what you like. Okay, so just stay healthy, stay safe. I will be watching you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.